Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be diving into some exciting rumours that have been floating around Alton Towers, and that's the potential retheme for Galactica in the 2025 season. Now, this isn't just some random speculation that us foosies usually throw out. There are some major signs pointing to this possibility, and we're going to break it all down, including what it might cost and what the new ride in the area could mean for the park. So let's get into it. The Phalanx is the key element of the Nemesis storyline, as they are the key ones behind the creation of this deadly alien creature. So it makes sense that if Alton Towers is planning something big for Forbidden Valley, they might tie Galactica into this ever-expanding Phalanx narrative. Here's where things get interesting. The Alton Towers firework event, which takes place from November 8th to the November 10th, is being taken over by the Phalanx. This is no ordinary firework display, this is an expo. This could mean one of either two things. Either a new ride is being announced, or Galactica is about to get a huge retheme. What makes this even more intriguing is the theme around the area looks like it's hinting at a possible Galactica retheme tied to the Phalanx storyline due to the space logo that we have seen in the area. If we take a closer look at the setup for the fireworks event, we can see some theme that feels very much so like a Phalanx takeover of the Galactica area. This could be Alton Towers' way of easing us into a larger rebranding, bringing Galactica more in line with the Nemesis lore and the broader Forbidden Valley theme. Around the main area in the lawns where the fireworks are going to be taking place, the logos for the Phalanx Expo give off a very spacey vibe, and it almost looks pretty close to your sort of Galactica themed logo. Now let's talk about 2025, because this is where things get really interesting. Rumours circulating that a new ride is being planned for Forbidden Valley in 2025, which is, as we all know, and it would make total sense for the park to capitalise on this new attraction by retheming Galactica, which is right next to where this new ride will be located, especially if they're looking to create a more unified experience in this area. We know what the new ride is going to be: Huss Topspin, one of the newer models, which the park used to have, and it used to be called Whipsaw. Many people believe that the new ride is going to be called Intoxicator, which, with the submit to the spin and the green sort of goo-like theming, there's a high possibility of this. And we expect this to be closely linked with the Phalanx, as it is literally going right next to the shop and Nemesis itself, further cementing their presence in the park. But do Alton Towers actually have the money to retheme Galactica? Well, retheming a roller coaster isn't cheap. Depending on how extensive the retheme is, it could cost anywhere from 5 million to 15 million, or even more than that. Why is it so expensive? Track and ride modifications. If they want to change the ride experience, adding new effects, enhancing the coaster's layout, that's a significant investment. Theming elements. If they're redesigning the queue, creating a new storyline, and updating their ride's entire aesthetic to fit with the Phalanx narrative, that would push the cost even higher. Tech upgrades. Given the nature of Galactica and the reliability of Galactica, it may need a complete overhaul to the projection mapping, lighting effects, and other tech upgrades to the overall system. That would add a lot more to the price tag of this retheme. In comparison, Nemesis Reborn is said to have cost around about 10 million to retheme, so Galactica's retheme could fall within the same sort of ballpark depending how extensive the changes are. But let's be real, Alton Towers have never shied away from investing at big attractions, especially when they know it'll bring people through the gates. As we know, Alton Towers have been working on another project called Project Horizon. I believe that this won't be getting here for the 2026 season. There was rumours, not necessarily rumours, more so facts about Project Horizon, which was going to be an indoor multi-dimensional coaster. Rumoured to be so. They actually got their planning permission approved in February 2023. However, I don't see this taking place anytime soon, and I think that they will put the investment into a Galactica retheme and the new area. So, how does this all tie together? The Forbidden Valley area has always been a fan favourite, but when Nemesis underwent a major retheme, it's clear that the park want to keep things fresh. With the new ride that's coming in 2025, a Galactica retheme would be perfect to tie it all together. Picture this, a Forbidden Valley that feels more cohesive, with Nemesis, Galactica and the new ride all working in one unified theme. So is a Galactica retheme on the horizon for 2025? The clues seem to be pointing in that direction, especially with the Phalanx becoming a central part of the park's storytelling. Whether it's an expensive overhaul or just a cosmetic refresh, Alton Towers is clearly preparing to make some big changes. And with the new ride in the area, we could be looking at a whole new experience in Forbidden Valley. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Galactica is ready for a retheme, or should they leave it as it is? And what do you think the new ride's name could be? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest updates from Alton Towers. Thank you all for watching, we'll see you next time.